know if you have if you cannot hear me, please let me know. If you cannot hear me, please always let me know. Please. Can you hear me, please? Let me first confirm that. So now we have seen how to create this order, how we create packed item, and how we ship the item. So that we can track what is happening at every point in time to a particular order. Now we can convert this to invoice, and we have instant invoice. So let's convert this to invoice. Convert it to an invoice. So I leave you homes. We are not changing anything. We are not changing anything. Nothing is changed. You can see order 1, invoice 0, packed 1, and then it's 120. So what is missing now is invoice, not invoice, but it's already showing that if we pack delivered, assuming we need 100 and we pack 10, it's going to show us what we packed, and so that we can know what is left on that order. So this will help us to track the order to details. So next thing we do, and if you have different staff that is handling store and sales, so it's also very good for that. One staff will be handling the sales, one will handle delivery and shipment. So that will help them to be able to see who is doing what. Okay, department, we have made that compulsory earlier during the books. Perhaps I'm going to remove that shortly. Click on this and save. Save as draft, then mark as sent. So we have created our invoice, and we're not going to. Okay, do we collect payment? Let's receive payment. Let's receive payment. So we receive the whole money into Zenith Bank current account, and we save as paid. You don't want to waste time on that. It's okay. So we are done with the sales, from sales order to payment. That's good. Now let's now see what are other things that are come up on this sales order.